After Aamir Khan has been removed over his intolerance remark, Amitabh Bachchan and Priyanka Chopra's names were in the running to become the brand ambassador of Incredible India. However, Bachchan Sr. has found himself amidst Panama paper controversy, and this was an issue so big that it could not be kept out of the selection process. So now, thanks to controversies, the Desi girl will end up becoming the new face of Incredible India. Do you think Priyanka should become the brand ambassador of Incredible India over Big B? Do share your comments. Newzstreet Desk.